dryer not starting. You're trying to start, but no start. Okay, seen a lot of lint build up. My theory is this probably has gone out at a high limit. Gonna need to clear this all out. Yeah. But yeah, it tries to start. But no funny smell, no burned wiring, nothing, you know, going on. The lid switch is engaging properly. I'll show you if you pull it and try it. Now we got nothing. So once we close it, try it, the timer tries to engage. So I think we have a blown high limit, which means we probably have clogged lint vent hose as well. So yeah, pull it and check it. The problem on these machines is the high limit's at the back of the machine, which isn't so easy to get to in these tight quarters, but I have to fold the machine forward, tip it forward, and pull it out and check it. Do an ohm test, restore power, and clean everything up. Clean out the lint too. Okay, check it. It's actually not too bad. Oh boy. But I'm going to need to pull the machine forward anyway, so yeah, disconnect it, pass it through.
Yeah, actually these machines are really cool in that they're designed for tight quarters. You can get to all the controls from the front. Getting to the back where the high limit and the thermal fuse is, I was able to actually lean it against the opposing wall, remove the screws, and gain access to the back of it, so not too bad. And this was an electric stackable unit, but this is very similar to almost all dryers. Even gas dryers have high limits and thermal fuse for the electronic side of the controls.
At least got to start vacuuming it out, and we'll eventually blow it all out and go a bit deeper here. But I want to figure out the test for continuity first on our high limits and our thermal fuse. So we'll check it out. And you'll definitely want to prove whether you have power or not first. My multimeter has this nice NCV, non-contact voltage detector, and we got juice. So yeah, gonna pull the plug or throw the breaker and get it going. Here's the breaker for that one. Those and verify. And it never hurts to verify. Okay. No power. That's good. It never hurts to verify, but it sure can hurt if you don't. Here's my meter and testing the high limit. We've got continuity. Got continuity. And the thermal fuse. Uh-oh. No continuity. There's our problem. Thermal fuse. See here? I didn't even need to disconnect any wires yet. Just turn the power off. So I'm going to go grab a new thermal fuse, change that puppy out, and we should be good to go. And then I'll clean everything out really good. And I'm even going to replace this dryer hose. But yeah, thermal fuse. So I need the thermal fuse. I didn't have one, but I get one from my trusty model unit that's already been rated. Already been taking the motors and everything else anyway, so sometimes that's kind of the first one to go. And tip it forward, set it down nice and easy, and then we'll pop this off. Already unplugged, so you know, it's just kind of like the TV, you know, where it's empty. In the back is my washer dryer, nothing left. All right, pop off the screws and get it going. As I had hoped, I hadn't already gotten it, but as you can see, I've definitely already been here before. But what we're gonna do is I'm just going to show you on the meter here the test and how we should have continuity, at least movement of the needle across the leads for the thermal switch. There we go, see? Yeah, so we had a bad thermal switch on the other one. So that is the story there. Grab this one and make it through another day, and then I order one of those just in case. It is very rare, I rarely have these go out, but that's what happened here. So just gonna pull the wire terminals and take out the screw, and that's that. Pulled out the wire terminals, there's the screw. Gotta like my 6-in-1 screwdriver, just it's got both screwdriver sizes that I need for this. And there it is. No biggie. It's really easy little fuse. And I can put the screw back as I will just reuse the one on the other unit. And that'll be that. The thermal switches are still there if I need them, but I can put the empty shell back. No big deal. Just gotta move the vent around a little bit. Oh. Anyway, and the empty shell will be back in business.
One thing to double check is your hose connections after you lean a machine or move a machine like this around. I was able to tighten these up and fix them, so I was glad. I was a little nervous that as I leaned it back, did it put pressure on those plastic connections and break something, but I was lucky. Just the hoses had come loose.
That's all it was. Thermal switch, and probably because the dryer vent hose was clogged, replaced the dryer vent hose. Didn't find much in it, but I'll check outside and make sure I got good airflow now. So I'll set this a little bit here, and that'll be that. Cleaned everything out, and that's what it was. Thermal fuse.
And if you haven't seen it already, check out my video on easy way to check if your dryer vents are clogged.
Standing on the edge of death and life, standing in between the right. Light shines down, bring truth. Us will fall. Darkness, day to light. Pain give way to eternity. Temporary This is just a test. It's a challenge. It's a test.